Say it now.
What? Come get your book. Come and get your book, Ariana. Down, Odie.
You gotta remember, this game, 80% win, 20% talent. You gotta keep running. That's it.
Sugar and Odie, move. You're almost here. Come on, honey. There you go. You can scoot a little closer. You gotta scoot a little closer to come get it.
I gotta go, guys. So you pair it off and hit the heavy bag. 3 rounds each.
Almost.
Go.
Almost there, honey. Are you having issues? What you having issues with? You want something else, like an Elmo? Come on, you're almost to the...
What are you doing here?
There you go.
Alex.
Hi.
You look amazing, Si. Yeah? We got a call from Durham today.
She's smiling. Look at do what Odie's doing. Odie's doing it.
Odie, get down. Yay!
You big girl.
Just take it easy. Relax and breathe. Look at me. I want to tell you something.
To Elmo.
Oh, she took both of her hands off.
She got lost.